وَلَقَدْ يَسَّرْنَا الْقُرْآنَ لِلذِّكْرِ فَهَلْ مِن مُّدَّكِرٍ.
In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the ever merciful. Today we will learn the literal translation of Surah Baqarah, ayat 7 to 10. Let us start. Ulaika, it is they. Ala means on. Hudan means guidance. Min, from. Rabbihim, their Lord. Ulaika ala hudam min rabbihim, it is they who are on guidance from their Lord. Wa ulaika, wow means and. Ulaika, it is they. Whom, once again they. Al muflihun, who shall achieve real success. Wa ulaika humul muflihun, and it is they who shall achieve real success. Inna lazina, inna, verily. Allazina, those who. Kafaru, have adopted this belief. Sawaun, it is same. Sawaun means it is equal, it is same. Alayhim, for them. A means whether. A anzartahum means whether you warn them. Or lam, not. Tunzirhum, you warn them. La means not. Yuminun, they will believe. Innal lazina kafaru, those who adopted disbelief. Sawaun alayhim, it is same for them. Anzartahum, whether you warn them. Am lam tunzirhum, or you warn them not. La yuminun, they will not believe. Khatama, Khatama means has set a seal. Allahu means Allah. It is the personal name of Allah. Allah means on. Qulubihim, it is the plural form of qalb. It means their hearts. Wa ala, wow means and. Allah means on. Sami'ihim, their ears. Khatamallahu ala qulubihim wa ala sami'ihim means Allah has set a seal on their hearts and their ears. Wa ala abswarihim, wow means and. Allah means over. Abswarihim means their eyes. Wa ala abswarihim, and over their eyes. Rishawatun means blindfold, and over their eyes there is a blindfold. Walahum, wow means and. Lahum means for them. Azabun means torment. Azim, severe. Walahum azabun azim, and for them there is severe torment. This is all for today. Inshallah, in the next lecture we will try to explain these ayats, then start the next ayah. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.